Troubleshooting screencast disconnecting issues.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue, screencast disconnecting. We've all been there. We're in the middle of an important presentation or an exciting movie, and suddenly, our screencast drops out. But don't worry, we're going to go through some troubleshooting steps to help you get your screencasting back on track.
What causes screencast disconnecting issues?
Before we dive into the solutions, it's important to understand the common reasons behind screencast disconnecting issues. 1. Weak Wi-Fi signal. If your device is too far from the router, the Wi-Fi signal may not be strong enough to support screencasting. 2. Overloaded network. If there are too many devices connected to your network, it might be overloaded, causing screencasting to disconnect. 3. Outdated software or hardware. Sometimes, the problem lies in outdated software or hardware that doesn't support stable screencasting.
How to troubleshoot screencast disconnecting issues.
Now, let's move on to the solutions. Remember, not all solutions will work for everyone, so try them one at a time to see what works best for you. Solution 1. Check and strengthen your Wi-Fi signal. Your screencasting device and the device you're casting to should both have a strong Wi-Fi signal. You can strengthen your Wi-Fi signal by moving closer to your router or investing in a Wi-Fi extender. Solution 2. Limit devices on your network. If too many devices are connected to your network, try disconnecting some devices that are not in use. This can free up bandwidth and may solve your screencast disconnecting issue. Solution 3. Update your software and hardware. Ensure that the software on both your devices is up to date. This includes the operating system and any relevant apps. If your hardware is outdated, it might be time for an upgrade to support stable screencasting.
What if the problem still persists?
If you've tried all the above solutions and are still facing issues, it might be time to contact a professional. They can help diagnose and fix any underlying issues that may be causing the screencast to disconnect. So, there you have it. These are some of the most effective ways to troubleshoot screencast disconnecting issues. Remember, the key is to be patient and systematic in your approach. We hope these tips will help you get your screencasting back to working perfectly. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.